Do you have a smelly trash can? Toss in your leftover tea bag and check it out. No more smell. It also works great in drawers, shoes, and the fridge too. Do you have blisters from mopping? Try this hack. Cover the handles with bubble wrap. Now you can mop without getting any more blisters. Is your paint roller full of lint? Try rolling it on painter's tape. Now you shouldn't have any lint on your roller. Did you lose an item in your couch? Place tights over the vacuum hose and secure it with a rubber band. Place the hose where you lost the item, and just like that, the item is found. Is your grout dirty? Taking toilet bowl cleaner and squeeze it onto the grout scrub and wipe off the excess. Check out how clean it is. Are your fans dusty? Try placing a pillowcase on the blades of the fan. Then pull it back to trap all the dust. Now it's all clean. Do you have a dent in your carpet? Take an ice cube on the dent. Remove the ice cube. Use a fork to fluff up the carpet. Now it's good as new. Smelly paint fumes. Try adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla and stir. Now it smells just like vanilla. Do your t-shirts have armpit stains? Try making a paste of hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. Place it onto the stain and then lightly scrub it. Let it sit for at least 10 minutes and then wipe the paste off and wash it. Now you don't have any more stain. Do you have oil spills on your carpet? Pour dish soap onto the oil spill and let it sit for 15 minutes. Then scrub and rinse it with water. Now it's all clean. Do you have residue from labels on bottles? Spray on WD-40 and scrape it away. Now it's all clean. Hanging a clock or picture frame. Place a fork on the nail. Put this string or wire around the fork. Now it'll catch the nail every time. Do you have a leaky toilet? Try pouring Kool-Aid in the toilet tank. The flapper is broken and it needs to be repaired. Do you have sticky paint? Now it will be unstuck and airtight. Don't know where to store your old rollers? Store them in a Pringles can. This is the best way to keep them fresh. Do you have residue on your paintbrush? Try running a comb through the bristles. Now it's all clean. Do you have paint inside the paint lid? Hammer a nail around the edges. This will allow the paint to drain back into the can. Do you have a noisy toolbox? Place bubble wrap under the tools. Now there's no more noise. Do you have a marker stain? Try squeezing toothpaste onto a microfiber cloth. Now you can easily buff away that marker stain. Do you have a dirty shower head? Pour vinegar in a bag and place it around the shower head. Now let it sit overnight. Remove it and wipe it off with a sponge. Check out how clean it is. Do you have sunburn? Try squeezing aloe vera gel into ice cube trays and then freezing them. This will easily soothe your sunburn. Are your plates clanking together? Try placing coffee filters in between the plates. This will protect your dishes. Know where to wipe off the excess paint. Try placing a rubber band around the paint can. That becomes the perfect squeegee for the excess paint. Do you have dirty grill grates? Create a mixture of 2 cups of water and 3 tablespoons of dish soap. Then spray it onto the grates. Then scrub them and rinse them with water. Now they're all clean. Did your drawstring fall out? Straighten out a hanger and make a hook on the end. Attach the string onto the hook with the safety pin and push the hanger and the string through the drawstring of the pants. Remove the hanger and it's good as new. Is your door rattling? Cut a felt furniture pad to size and stick it inside the door jamb. Now there's no more rattling. Want to save your paintbrush for later? Try pulling your rubber glove over the paintbrush. Do you have a clogged drain? Straighten out a hanger and make a small hook on the end. Push the hook side down into the drain and carefully pull it back up. Now there's no more clog painting around a doorknob. Cover the doorknob with aluminum foil and remove it when done. Now there's no mess. Is your cabinet slamming? Put hot glue on the inside of your cabinet door. Now there's no more slamming. Do you have grass, mud, and dirt stains all over your clothes? Try placing dish soap on the stain. Spread it around and let it sit for at least 10 minutes. Now lightly scrub the stain and wash it out. Now it's good as new. Do you have a squeaky door? Rub some coconut oil onto the hinges and then wipe off the excess. Now open and close the door a few times, and now there's no more squeaking. Do you have a slick driveway or sidewalk? Try mixing 2 cups of water, 1 cup of rubbing alcohol, and 1/4 cup of dish soap. Pour it onto the slick area, and now there's no more ice. Are you out of dryer sheets? But a few drops of essential oils onto a coffee filter, and now you have an essential oil dryer sheet. Is your rug sliding all over your kitchen? Put hot glue on all 4 corners of the bottom of your rug. Now there's no more sliding. Is your lock sticking? Grab a pencil and rub it onto your key. Now place the key into the lock and there's no more sticking. Do you have a musky smell? Pour rubbing alcohol and essential oils into a spray bottle. Now your room will be fresh and disinfected. Do you have musty drawers? Place some baking soda, essential oils, and lavender into a coffee filter. Now tie it up with a rubber band. This will keep all of your clothes fresh. Do you have smelly shoes? Pour rubbing alcohol into a spray bottle. Now spray it inside your shoes. This will fight off odor and disinfect.